Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two AI presentation tools, which is Plus AI and Gamma AI. So let's quickly get started. Plus AI is built for professionals who want to stay in Google Slide or PowerPoint while letting AI undo the outlines, drafts, and a branded slide creation. It shines in customization, document to desk conversion, and a brand consistency, which make it a strong fit for business users who need polished without leaving their existing tools. Talking about Gamma on the other hand offer a more modern web-based approach with AI-generated presentation, website, and doc in a single platform. It's sleek, easy to use, and great for storytelling, but offer less control over traditional slide structure and brand formatting. So in conclusion, Plus AI wins for team tied to basic workflow, while Gamma is better for fast, creative, and design-driven presentation. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.